Hi, Cliff here, Santa Barbara Arts TV, SBARTSTV, and we were media at the Consumer Electronics Show back in January, and we just came from the Augmented World Expo, AWE in Long Beach. We're going to SIGGRAPH, the graphics show, the World Graphics Show in Los Angeles Convention Center, and we have this new device. It's the Gaussian Splat camera, the AI camera that does 3D scanning, AiScan 01 here. So we're unboxing it, and we're going to set it up and do the test scans for creating 3D models and Gaussian splats. And it's an incredible handheld device here. And so here it is, AiScan 1, and it does blue scans, MEMS scans here. And so we're going to set it up right here, and I'm going to walk you through it right now and set it up here on camera and do the first scans right here right now and show you everything that it comes with. This camera right here comes with a blue light, comes with 8 blue fill lights, a projector on the front, white fill light, there are 2 white fill lights, a texture camera, close range depth camera, and a long range depth camera. There's a speaker on top, power on off button, AiScan mode button, AMOLED display, a huge one, and it has cooling vents on the bottom, 1/4-inch expansion port so you can screw it to a tripod. We're going to screw it to USB-C type interface as well, and it's just beautiful. It's extremely powerful right here, and it'd be good for 3D scanning for 3D models. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm pulling out all these pieces, and one of these is markers that we can use for the 3D scanning. In this box is very heavy right here. And in this box there's all these little pieces we have right here. And there's some USB-C right here. So we have the AiScan tool we have. And then we're going to need some things. We need a tripod. So we're pulling out a tripod right here. We have a very heavy duty, strong tripod right here. So we need a strong tripod that's going to fold out for the unit right here. So we have a tripod right there. We're going to put the unit on the tripod. So we're going to screw on this very nice, strong, sturdy unit. We can use it handheld, but we're going to put it on the tripod here because we're going to do 3D scan right here. Okay, so let's put this on here. We're going to screw right on there, so we're going to do 3D scan. And they engineered this very nice and well. Oh, and it's a very nice, see, this is all very well engineered. You're just going to screw it on a little bit. It has a ball mount and everything. So we're going to be able to do our 3D capture of our scanning right there. So we're just going to have that all ready to go. So we're going to do our little 3D scan. So in this, right in here, I'll read you what we all have. We're going to need some of these things because we're going to have to do a 3D scan. We're going to do a little 3D scan for you. So let's see all these. We have a little case here. This one is the wristband and the ropes. Wristband and ropes. And then in here we have a little, this is for the case. We have, it's real nice. This is very well thought out. We have for the case, and then we have a little, actually, extra for that. And then we have a little cleaning for that. All extremely well thought out. So now, see, oh, it's nice and heavy. So then we have all the adapters for different countries. Adapters. Different plugs. USB. And then this is a brick of some sort. Yeah, plug. Power plug. Power plug. Power plug for USB. Right there. Now then we have another USB. And we've got the USB. Oh, this has USB, smaller USB. I believe this might be for the turntable. And then it comes with the turntable. Then it comes with the nice turntable. And yes, this powers the turntable. And the turntable also includes batteries. Okay, so we're all ready to do the scan. And then they give us a little head. They give us a little sculpted clay head right here. And it stands up. It actually stands up. The head's pretty heavy, and that's about it. And the nice case. And there's a little strap. And the strap you can clip to the case if you'd like to. And then there's a little handheld, a little handle for the case as well. And you get the little accessories. And then there's another little, this is very heavy. This is another little calibration board. Very heavy metal. So you can use this calibration board as well, these pieces. And they advise you to clean the screen. Clean the screen with the cloth before you film, before you capture 3D capture. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to get to scanning. Just to give you the rundown, you're getting the whole scanner, that big scanner there to scan all your Pokemon 3D objects, small and big, with a 3D scanner handheld. You can do it on a little turntable they're giving you. They're giving you that little statue. They're giving you that tripod. You can scan it on, they got a Kickstarter going until mid-July. And then you can scan the objects, scan the point cloud, scan in Gaussian splats, and then you can save it all on that computer, 32 gigs of RAM, 500 gigs hard drive. And then you can just save it on there or dump it into a 3D model or a Gaussian splat or a point cloud. And then you can just save it to your computer. And then you can just put into, Blender or whatever you want, Unreal Engine or whatever. or you can just clean it up in that that handheld device. It's extremely powerful. So check it out. Check out their Kickstarter, AiScan 01. It's really incredible. So now we're going to do our first scans. They give you everything when you buy it off the Kickstarter. They give you the scanner there, that handheld scanner. They give you the tripod, the little sculpture head to test it on, and the little rotating tripod, and then those little calibrations there, and a little case, a little shoulder strap, and it's real nice. And so I'm doing my tests on it right now, and we'll show you what the tests look like. All right, check it out.